Besides streaming using a webcam, what you can do is you can stream by using broadcasting softwares. For example, you can use something like OBS Studio, which allows you to stream contents from your desktop by using a stream key. So to get the stream key on your YouTube Studio, you need to go around over here onto the stream section. So once you go around over here, then what happens is that you get the stream key, as you can see right here. So you can go around and view the stream key, and this is the key that you can use to enter this is the key that you can use to link out YouTube Studio with let's say a particular software so that you can stream through it. So you can go around and then you can see that this is a stream key. You can reset out the stream key over here as well, just by clicking on reset, and what happens is that the stream key will change out right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and you got the new stream key right here. You can copy this out right here or reset it out as well if you want to have a new stream key. And that is something which really helps when you're streaming to make your YouTube channel content, let's say, very secure. You can go around over here onto the stream key, and then you can see that you can create a new stream key, or you can manage stream keys over here as well. So you can go around over here and manage out different stream keys right here. And usually you don't really have to do anything right here. If you want to, however, you can create a new stream key, you can manage stream keys, and then use the default stream key over here as well. Usually the default one is the best right here. And what you can also do is use a stream URL, as you can see right here from over here. So there's stream URL provided to you, and there's a backup server URL provided to you as well. So that is it. That is how you can get a stream key and then reset out a stream key to be used in different broadcasting softwares in YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.